4x4 to check out here at Unique Classic Cars. This one's a 1984 Chevrolet K10 Scottsdale, regular cab short box. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Actually a Tennessee vehicle, much of its life, so hasn't spent time in the Midwest. 305 V8 underneath the hood. It does have a 600 CFM 4-barrel Edelbrock on it. Paired up with a 700 R4 automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes. Take a look at the front chrome headlight surrounds, grille, looking good up front. Original frost white truck with burgundy vinyl. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. And all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Locking front hubs. As you can see, the two-tone with the burgundy rockers. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. I'll go through a lot of the things that have recently been done on this truck. It does have a newer battery, Axiom 922. Paint, wiper motor, taillight lenses, fuel tank and sender, fuel filter, air cleaner, valve cover gaskets, I should say, both valve covers, distributor, plugs and wires, complete brake service done. Brakes are 100% front and rear. Door seals and window felts. So those have all been done in the recent past. You can see those panels nice and straight. Give you a good look at the bed. Speaking of a good look, once again, those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look at the chrome and the rear bumper. If you like these Chevy K10s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can do that online right off our showroom floor. You can see the paint's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Down the driver's side, again, panels looking straight. We're going to start this up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Good look at the door panel, and again, original burgundy vinyl interior truck. It does have an aftermarket stereo that is working. Fires right up each time I've started it. Get a good look at the top of the dash. And remember, Tennessee truck, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Couple aftermarket gauges underneath the dash for temp, and what is it, oil pressure looks like. Oil pressure up fine. That was a cold start, as you can see by the temp gauge. AM, FM cassette. Radio working. Sliding rear glass. Visors intact. Let's listen. Remember, 305 V8 power, 700 R4 automatic with overdrive transmission. Edelbrock 4-barrel on it. Nice little rumble. Alright, let me pause this real quick. Let's get this hood pop. Check out that engine bay, and then we'll get Jason to take it for a drive. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Now in the still pictures, there will be a pic If you want to see exactly how this car is equipped brand new, you'll see a nice close-up of that still fix. That looks like a newer Edelbrock. Running smooth. That is HEI ignition back there. Looks good, sounds good. 1984 Chevrolet K10 Scottsdale, regular cab, short box. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out the pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. Another thing, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Here we have a 1984 Chevrolet K10 pickup truck. The K stands for 4x4. And down below we do have a manual 4x4 lever. This is an automatic on the column, which makes it easy to drive. Under the dash there is a temperature gauge showing about 160, possibly still warming up. Oil pressure about 50 psi, 50 to 60. Our turn signal indicator works. Solid square body truck, feels good on the road. Nice tight suspension. The steering wheel is canted a little to the left, but that doesn't affect performance. We have a radio from Toshiba in the dash.
Electrify your journey and explore the world on wheel.
Do they even still make radios? That's a throwback. There is cassette. I did not test cassette, but FM is working. The fuel gauge shows 3/4 of a tank, and the speedometer appears to be working. We're doing approximately 55 miles an hour. Puller motor also pulls air. Final bench seat in this truck. Great visibility, the square body, one of Chevy's most reliable, long-lasting trucks. Chevrolet GMC. I do get some wind noise from the wing windows. Sometimes you can just shim those a little bit, make it a little tighter, and that'll go away. Nice idle from this truck. A little bit of a rumble. The brakes feel good, smooth braking, and doesn't pull to either side. Cornering is easy with power steering, and it doesn't lean very much. Feels good in the corner. Take a look at all the pictures of this 84 Chevy truck at UniqueClassicCars.com.